Alright guys, welcome to a new video. Today is a new video, okay? Today is a really new video. I've made a pack, kinda. It has some of my favorite fonts that I use, the graphic design. Some of you know I do graphic design. So in here is some of my favorite fonts I love to use. It's something different, you know. I just wanted to make something. Like as a graphic designer, I just want to release something that people can have, you know, just have, you know. I don't really know. I just want people to have something, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, in here is some of my fonts that I like to use. It's free, okay? Link is in the description. Just go ahead and download it. It's free, absolutely free. I'm not sure if you're able to like add a custom price to it if you want. I'm not sure if you can do that, but I mean it's free, okay? The fonts are free, so this pack is free. So just enjoy. Enjoy, okay? If you download this pack, thank you. Huge respect to you, because I'm just really happy to have this pack, you know, out for you guys. It's nothing special. Like, there's nothing special with this. It's just a pack with some fonts that I like to use. There's like 20 fonts. I know some people release like thousands fonts in one like Photoshop file, but there's only like 20 files or 20 fonts that I like to use. So yeah, enjoy. If you do download this pack, please tell me in the comments. It'd be really nice to know who downloaded. And yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say. Thank you. Thank you for clicking on this video, and yeah. What people say? Peace out. Oh. There we go.